As many of you know, I travel a fair amount for work. So when I find something at a hotel that makes me feel at home, you can only imagine how happy it makes me. One chain that I think does a great job with this offers guests freshly baked cookies when they check in. If that doesn't say welcome home, what does? Today, we're sharing our version of these welcoming cookies with you. We start by combining our dry ingredients. It's simply some flour, rolled oats that we processed, baking soda, a bit of salt, and a little ground cinnamon. Now, we set that aside while we beat together some butter, white and brown sugar, and a splash of vanilla. Once it's light and airy, we beat in a couple of eggs and our dry ingredients. The only thing left to do now is slowly stir in our walnuts and chocolate chips and spoon this onto a couple of baking sheets. Now you can bake them right away, or you can freeze them and bake them right before you want something sweet hot out of the oven. Either way, whenever you do bake them, you can bet your whole house will be smelling like the irresistible combination of cinnamon and chocolate. To get the recipe for our famous hotel chocolate chip cookies, make sure you check out our website because these are outstanding. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a welcome home way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You're